taking a look at a trail camera, a game camera called the GardePro E6, and this one is a Wi-Fi. This one can be upgraded to use a solar panel for its power. If we open it up, first thing we have is the instructions. Pretty good booklet with instructions, a lot of photographs to tell you everything that's happening in there. Got the trail cam itself, and then the straps to put it onto a tree, and a cable there to interface. Go ahead and take the bag off of the camera. So now we have some film over the lenses and over the LED array there. We've got an antenna that can bend down. On the one side we have a clasp to keep everything closed and weather tight. There's a locking clasp there, so you can put a padlock on it to lock everything up. On the back door of the camera we have the place for it looks like 8 AA batteries to power the unit with batteries. We can turn it on. We have a place for an SD card, place to plug in a USB. There's a menu and some controls to scroll through the different menus. There's a film over the screen here. Really nice hinge and a good silicone gasket along the whole interface there. If we close it back up, we can see that it can attach to a tripod. There is a place down here with a rubber gasket to plug in that solar panel if you're going to plug it into 12 volts of DC. It's got a microphone towards the bottom, and the places here to put the strap through to connect it to a tree or a fence post. Got your LED array there for when it's going to pick up in low light, and then the 2 lens things with covers over them. Also looks like there's a place here to run a cable through the top of the whole unit. So that's a quick run through of the GardePro E6 trail camera with Wi-Fi. We'll take another look at this one and see how it works.